Hi, this is Dr. Davis again. Can you cure halitosis with green tea? Well, we're going to take a look and see if that's really true. Bad breath is something that everyone can agree on. It's not a good thing. And as the sufferers know all too well, it can be embarrassing, even socially debilitating. But what can you do about it? We have about the recently published article reviewing the effects of green tea on bad breath. This study reviewed 704 articles for scientific evidence of the relationship of green tea and halitosis. When it was all said and done, they found that there was a statistically significant improvement in the breath with green tea. But for me, what made the study really move the meter was their discovery of how green tea accomplishes this task. Was it just masking the symptoms like most breath products, or was it something more fundamental? In this research, green tea, or Camellia sinensis, the plant that also makes black tea, is produced when the plant leaves are steamed, deactivating the enzymes that lead to fermentation. This process stops the decomposition of the color pigments in the leaves, preserving the green color and retaining the natural polyphenols. These compounds include a particular active compound referred to as EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate, that can really improve the breath and, as it turns out, our health. It does this by reducing the volatile sulfur compounds, or VSCs, that are made by bacteria in the mouth and stomach and then foul the breath. Most people that have bad breath complain of a rotten egg type smell caused by bacteria that break down sulfur. Others have a more putrid smell. Both kinds of breath are from VSCs, the compounds that green tea can prevent or at least reduce. Two particular kinds of VSCs, one called methylmercaptan that smells like bad cabbage, and hydrogen sulfide that smells more like rotten eggs, are directly controlled by EGCG in green tea through a chemical reaction. So that's the first good news, direct decrease in the smell of bad breath. But there's more. Green tea acts as an antimicrobial weapon to inhibit the growth of the same bad bacteria. In another study, they found the common VSC bacteria, Solobacterium moriae, was killed by destroying its cell membrane when using green tea. Not only that, EGCG in green tea can stop the adhesion of S. moriae and another bacteria common in periodontal disease called Porphyromonas gingivalis to the cells lining the mouth. That's good news. One of the tough aspects of bacterial infection is their ability to form biofilm that protects them from most antibiotics. But green tea can eradicate the biofilm, making the bacteria much more susceptible to your natural antimicrobial chemistry and probiotics. And one last attribute of EGCG. It even decreases the gene expression of beta-galactosidase of the bacteria that make those smelly sulfur compounds. And the zinc in green tea converts those smelly VSCs to non-smelly compounds. That's a lot for one good-tasting drink. I can't really think of a better habit for a breath sufferer. You can even increase the power of green tea by drinking a special green tea called matcha, which is a green tea that is made from the ground-up special treated green tea. It has 137 times more EGCG than some other green teas do. This should definitely be the daily drink of breath sufferers. And remember, breath issues can be caused by more problems than the teeth, mouth, and gums. In fact, most of my patients with breath complaints are cured by solving problems in the stomach, intestines, and sinuses. So go out and have a sip on me.